How to move an object in Blender? You can use this icon and you can move the object in the X direction, Y direction, and also in the Z direction. Another way to move is to use the hotkey G. Press G in the keyboard pad and you can move it in any way you like. And if you are in, press tab and go to the edit mode. You are now in edit mode. And if you press G, you can move. Also, you can move the vertex. You can, if you press G, you can move that particular vertex. And when you select the edge, select one of the edge, press G, and you can move to make a different shape. Press the face select mode and select one face, press G, and now you can do like this also. So this is the way the hotkey G works in Blender.